Alright class, I want to give you a quick tutorial of how you can access your Zoom meeting. You should be on your CP Argueta Math and Science course. And once you go ahead and log on to your CP Argueta Math and Science course, you're going to go over to the side and you're going to look at your announcements. So go right over here to announcements, click on your announcements. Then I have two different sections. You won't see both of these. You'll see one of these Zoom meetings. If you're Math Section A, you'll see Math Section A. If you're Math Section B, you'll see Math Section B. I'm just going to click on Math Section A. So we're going to go ahead and click on it, and you should see a Zoom meeting link. If you're Math Section A, you can go ahead and click on that link. Then it's going to say Open Zoom Meeting. You're going to want to click on Open Zoom Meeting. That's my Zoom meeting, but yours will look a little differently. When you do join, go ahead and join with computer audio. And that is how you enter your Zoom meeting. I'll just go ahead and end that. Again, there's two different meeting times. One is 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and the other is 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. You will see one of those meeting times under your announcements. So then I'm going to go ahead and go back. Once again, another way you can access your Zoom is right there on the home page. If you know your meeting time, you can just click on the 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, 9 to 10 o'clock meeting, or the 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Now, the only way to know if you're in Group A or in Group B is going to be to check your announcements. Another way to know is I sent you an email. So you can check your email and it has the correct time, whether you're 9 o'clock or 1 o'clock. If you're in Mrs. Argueta or Mrs. Neal's homeroom class, you're going to be that 9 o'clock in the morning time with me. If you're in Miss Menon or Mr. Thomason's home class, then you're going to be in the 1 o'clock meeting time with me. Again, the easiest way is to go to your announcements and you'll see one of those Zoom links and you can click on that Zoom link.